So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to assemble your handgun. Okay, I de-assembled my pistol because I was busy cleaning it because it got a little rusty. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the hammer, right? And you're going to place it inside the frame. Okay, there you go. And then you're going to take the slide and you're going to place the barrel inside like that. Oh, holy shit, my bad. There you go. As you can see, the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take the cap. This is the cap, and you're gonna fit it on top of the barrel, on top of the slide, you can say. But the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna, as you're gonna place the barrel inside, then put the cap. And if you don't like put the barrel first and place the cap first, it's not gonna work, right? Okay, the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take the guiding rod and you're gonna place your thumb on top of the slide like that, and then you should be very careful when you're doing this tap, because anything goes wrong, let's say you're pushing it, it will literally go off and it's gonna hurt you in the eye or something. The spring is very powerful actually. If it releases, it's gonna hurt. So I'm gonna okay, you're gonna keep your hand on top of the spring like that, and you're gonna take your handgun and you'll be very careful. You'll very carefully slide it on top of the frame. Holy shit. And then after that, you're gonna align the slide with the frame like that, so that you can see through this hole, right? As you guys can see, if I do it from this side, it's gonna be much better. Wait, you see that? All right. Once it's aligned with the frame, you're gonna take this thing and you're gonna wait a second, where was it? There you go. You're gonna fit it like that. There you go. Now it's perfectly assembled. As you guys can see, it's buttery smooth. As you guys can see, it's not loaded at all. There's nothing inside the chamber. See? Okay, oh yeah, I forgot the most important step. This thing, right? You're gonna push it like, it's better if you use your magazine to do that. It takes a little force. There you go. Yeah, now it's assembled. My bad. Make sure you're at a very safe environment when you do that, because you don't want your family to be around when you're doing that. Let's say, even though you're very careful, there could be a bullet inside the chamber that you did not notice, and you might be pointing at anybody. It could be your mom, anyone, I don't know. Be very careful. Make sure you're in an environment by yourself. You're in a room by yourself and you're cleaning your guns. That's the safest thing to do, because it'll save, yeah, you get what I mean. Then I'm not gonna load the magazine, but I'm gonna show you guys how to operate it. Basically, you take your magazine and you place it inside your handgun like that, and then you simply just load it. Okay, it did not go forward because there's no bullet inside of it. So once there's bullet inside of it, let's say I loaded it, I'm ready to fire. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this thing, pull it down. You see that? And it's ready to fire now. Okay, so thanks for watching, and yeah. The next video I'm gonna upload, I'm gonna shoot it in a shooting range, of course. So thank you.